Today we will be making our Black History celebration posters. So if you want a dotted background, we have these paint daubers that you can use to just make uniform dots across your paper. This is an option for you, or you can also leave the background blank for now or use colored pencils to make a pattern. But after you've decided on your background, you're going to transfer your photo just like we practiced. So remember to use a dark colored crayon to make a layer of crayon on the back of your photo. And then place your photo in a good spot on your poster paper. Remember to press really hard with your pen and trace all of the important lines around your photograph. Remember to stop to check periodically. Keep your non-drawing hand on the paper as an anchor so that when you peel the paper up, you can still see or you can keep your photograph where it needs to be. And take your time. Don't worry about all of the individual shadows. When you have your photo transferred over, then you're going to go over your crayon markings with a dark marker. It's important to keep these lines clean, so try not to work in jagged lines. Try to use one continuous line when possible. And again, take your time. Getting all of the facial features. You can always go back to and add more line. So keep your photograph handy because you might want to add some lines that you didn't get in the transfer process. Next, you're going to think of the placement for your quote. So write your quote down and count out the number of words in it so that you can determine how much space you have and how many words you're going to fit on each line. Remember, you need to work around the silhouette of your person. You don't want the lines to cross over into their face. So very lightly sketch out some possibilities. Notice any keywords that you want to make stand out, and you can make those words either larger than the other ones or a different color than the other words. And then with your ruler, just start to map out where each word is going to go. Again, make sure you do this extremely lightly because you're probably going to make a couple of mistakes and you want to be able to erase. After you've mapped out your spacing, then you can go in and lightly sketch each individual letter. And when you're done with that, you outline in marker, and then our next step will be the colored pencil blending.